Alright, folks, so this is part 2 in my landform, uh, geography landform study. So again, using a quiz from Sporkle, I'm looking at a slideshow of various geographic landforms and pictures. I haven't taken this test yet, but remember, it's not about how I perform. It is all about familiarizing yourself, and really not necessarily familiarizing it, but re-familiarizing yourself with these things. So let's go ahead and take a shot at this uh, quiz. All right. So I believe this is some sort of volcano, but I don't really know. Could be an atoll. It is an atoll. An atoll is a type of island in the ocean. This looks like a desert. Salt flat? Salt pan. That is basically Bandamere, not Bandamere, Great Salt Lake. Outside of Salt Lake City, there's a speedway made entirely of salt, naturally forming salt, and so it's called a salt pan or salt desert in some cases. This looks to be a gorge or a fjord. Is that a peninsula? No, we're gonna skip that one. This is called a butte. All right, this has come up on the elementary ed Praxis in terms of Vietnam and New Orleans, Mississippi. It's called a delta. It's basically all the sediment and everything building up as it flows out of a river. We, of course, have a waterfall. This is a geyser, Yellowstone Old Faithful. Now, this is either plateau or a mesa. Mesa. Okay. Now that is a peninsula. Baja California, to be specific. And that's a sandbar. No? Beach? Barrier Island. Okay. Barrier Islands are, they're outside of islands and coasts, and they kind of help break up the waves. This is an oasis. Oases are found in the midst of deserts. This is, of course, a mountain. That one actually being the Matterhorn. That's a volcano. Highland. Range. I don't know. We'll have to come back to it. Foothill, maybe. I don't know what that is. That's an arch. Canyon. That's obviously in Utah, but I don't know what they're referencing. This is why it's good to play a game like this. It gets you thinking about these different terms. Now, that's a river. A meandering river. A dune, that's sand. Swamp, maybe? I don't know what they're referencing there.
A little bit of bad news. That test for Karen Kelly's portfolio.
This is stalagmites or a cave. That's a canal.
So
I don't know. Cliff?
It doesn't create a whole new instance of an evaluation.
Swamp or a wetland or bog. So let's give up and see what I missed. Tombolo. I have no idea what it is, but I have a feeling if we define it, it's going to be a section of the continent or the main landform that becomes an island. Arete, don't have to worry about it on the elementary Praxis. Lagoon and spit. I've never seen that come up on the elementary ed Praxis. I said arch, a natural arch. Okay, don't worry about it. Sinkhole, you won't have to worry about. Oh, a glacier. Okay, this is a good example of a glacier. Uh, and glaciers do come up from glaciers are slow moving. They are a form of erosion. A strait. I said canal. There are a lot of straits, Strait of Gibraltar, Dardanelles, things like that. In my experience, the only one you might have to worry about is the Strait of Gibraltar, which is between the Horn, or North Africa and Spain. All right, folks. Hopefully, this is helping you with rekindling some of these terms that you may have forgotten from your days of geography.